Hey garden friend, welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the soil doctor and today we're turning something ordinary, kitchen scraps, into something powerful, plant food. That's right, before you toss those peels, ends, and leftovers, pause. Your kitchen waste is full of nutrients your garden will love. Let's walk through how to repurpose those scraps into simple, natural fertilizers. Banana peels. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps with flowering and fruiting. You can chop the peels and bury them directly near your plants. They'll break down slowly and feed the roots over time. Or dry them, crush into a powder, and sprinkle into the soil for a quick-release nutrient boost. Eggshells. Eggshells are packed with calcium, which strengthens plant cell walls and prevents issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes. Rinse, dry, and crush them, then mix into your soil or compost pile. You can even brew them into a calcium-rich tea by soaking them in water for a few days. Coffee grounds. Used coffee grounds are a great source of nitrogen. Spread them thinly around nitrogen-loving plants like leafy greens or add them to your compost. Just don't overdo it, too much can make your soil too acidic. Vegetable peels and trimmings, carrot tops, potato peels, onion skins, they all have something to give. Blend them with water to make a nutrient-rich scrap smoothie for your plants. Let it sit overnight, then pour it around your garden. It's like a compost tea, only faster. Tea bags. If your tea bags are made from natural fibers, no plastic, you can compost them whole. They break down and add nitrogen and other micronutrients. Rice water or pasta water. The leftover water from boiling rice or pasta unsalted is full of starches that can nourish your soil microbes. Let it cool and use it to water your plants. It supports healthy root development. A few tips to keep it safe and simple. No meat, dairy, or oily scraps. They attract pests and don't break down well. Balance greens and browns in compost if you're storing scraps long-term. Small bits break down faster, so chop or blend when possible. Repurposing your kitchen waste isn't just eco-friendly, it's garden-smart. You're feeding your plants with what you already have at home, saving money and reducing waste in the process. So, before you toss those scraps, ask yourself, could my garden use this? If you found this helpful, like the video and hit subscribe. I'm the Soil Doctor and I'll see you next time on Dirt Decoded, because when we feed the soil we grow the garden.